Today I'm here with Howard. Howard is from Trovex. Howard, how does Trovex work with Raybloc and what do Trovex do?
Yeah, so Trovex do hygienic finishes for healthcare, and that's walls, doors, IPS units. So when it comes to radiation protection doors, we work closely with Raybloc. So we manufacture lead line doors ourselves, but when it comes to fire rated, Raybloc have got the experience and the fire tests that Trovex don't currently have. So we work closely with Raybloc on that, and they're great support. Also vision panels, so lead line vision panels come to Raybloc.
Perfect.